And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. So far, it has been just dry, warm, and mostly sunny for today. And now, again, Hurricane Nate is not a direct threat to the valley, but we are feeling some of its side effects, if you will. Nate is turning up that surf along the coast, along the Texas Gulf Coast. And because of this, coastal flood advisory continues for the coastal sections of the valley until 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. High surf advisory, in fact, until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. And the rip current risk remains high through most of the day on Sunday. So beach conditions, boating conditions not looking very good at this time. Here are the latest numbers on Hurricane Nate. Maximum winds are 90 miles per hour, so it's a Category 1 hurricane. It is moving fast, though, to the north-northwest at 23 miles an hour. Should be making landfall this evening along the central Gulf Coast and then speed off to the northeast through the southeastern U.S. and the northeast. So if there's any good news, this is a fast-moving storm. We don't like storms that just sit over one place. Well, back home in the valley, things have been pretty quiet. It'll stay rain-free for tonight, but let me show you the radar imagery for Nate. You can see those rain bands, very heavy rain bands just to the east and southeast of New Orleans, Louisiana. Hurricane warnings in effect shown in the red for New Orleans all the way to Mobile, Alabama. Tropical storm warnings in the orange for the Florida Panhandle as well as areas west of New Orleans. Some of those heavy rain bands moving into southern Mississippi as well as South Alabama, pushing off to the north. Well, back home in the valley, the temperatures have been very warm. Lower 90s out west, mid to upper 80s toward the east. Right now, 89 degrees here in Weslaco. Your evening planner forecast, a very calm forecast. Mostly clear skies with a temperature in the mid 80s at 7 p.m. 80 at 9 p.m. 76 degrees at 11 o'clock tonight. So here's future track. There is 1 weak frontal boundary that's going to just fizzle out just around our area for tonight and tomorrow. Of course, Nate speeds off to the northeast. We are tracking another front that should arrive here in the valley by late Tuesday night or early Wednesday morning. So ahead of it, we're going to put in a chance for some showers and thunderstorms as well as a chance for some leftover showers behind that front. Now, I think that the front's going to pass through but most likely stall out just south of the valley. So we'll keep the clouds in the forecast for Wednesday along with a chance for some showers. It should be a little bit cooler finally for Tuesday night into Wednesday with high temperatures on Wednesday. Look at this, only around 80 degrees. So dry for tomorrow, dry for Monday. We'll throw in a 30% chance of some showers and thunderstorms Tuesday and a 20% chance of rain for Wednesday. Small craft advisory continues through tomorrow. Variable winds at 5 to 10 knots in the water. Your next tide is a low tide at 12:26 in the morning, and the seas are 4 to 9 feet. So for tonight, we'll call it mostly clear and mild with a low temperature of 71 degrees. Then for tomorrow, mostly sunny and hot with highs in the mid 90s, upper 90s out west in the upper valley. Here's that 7-day forecast. It stays dry for Monday. Should be cooler by Tuesday evening. Look at that, 87 degrees. Once again, we have a 30% chance of rain. At this point, we're calling for low temperatures Tuesday night in the lower 60s. And for Wednesday, cloudy skies, still a slight chance for some showers with a high temperature of 80 degrees. It's going to feel pretty nice, we think, by Tuesday night as well as Wednesday night with low temperatures in the 60s. And then the temperatures slowly start to rebound for the second half of the week. 86 temperature on Thursday with a 20% chance of some showers Thursday, 20% chance of rain on Friday. The highs are back to the upper 80s on Friday, right around 90 for next Saturday.